Hey guys, what's going on? Today we have another cool educational episode from Investing Box. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the button below because every single week we're gonna upload brand new educational videos about investing, about cryptocurrency, forex trading, and we're gonna give a massive value to our followers. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything from us. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. The future of Bitcoin is very bright and we have some phenomenal information about Bitcoin. Something really big is happened behind the curtains. And we believe that Bitcoin will really skyrocket in the next, I don't know, probably few years. Who knows? But for sure, I know this is going to be the future because more and more big investors started to look at Bitcoin. And we have some information that there is a rumors from the BlackRock that even the Rothschild family started to invest into Bitcoin. Also, they built some cryptocurrency team. And we heard as well that country like South Korea is working on regulating Bitcoin so people can use it because they was against Bitcoin, and more countries started to look to Bitcoin as an alternative way to use. So even along with the big investors, even in China, this weakening of the Chinese yuan and this weakening of global currencies started to make people to look for alternative into cryptocurrency, because we know that the paper money someday will die. Okay, we don't know which day exactly it's gonna die, but we believe that Bitcoin will do the same thing which email did to the regular mailing. So that's inevitable, just a matter of time. So even people like Warren Buffett, who claim that they don't like Bitcoin, we have information that really people like Warren Buffett also invest into cryptocurrency. Big name like Richard Branson, Bill Gates support Bitcoin and cryptocurrency because this is a revolution in the whole economic system. So basically, the one thing that concerns people the most is the volatility, but the last I think the last week happened something huge which really shifted the way we look at investing in the market. And I believe there is a huge psychology shift after this event. And let me show you what exactly happened. If you notice what happened with Facebook stock. Facebook stock dropped around 30% in one day. That was the biggest loss of the stock market ever happened. 30% down in value in one single day. So why I'm sharing this with you? Because Facebook is one of the most stable companies in the S&P 500, and if this happened with Facebook, such a stable company, this help us to change the way we look at volatility and Bitcoin, because this situation proves that stock market is not so stable like we think it is, because if you know, Warren Buffett have some statements that he don't like Bitcoin because it's a digital currency and volatility can happen. But after we saw that drop, we understand that the volatility of Bitcoin is not a big deal, and this movement which is doing it's not something scary, because we may feel safe and secure and protected, but by investing and putting our money into stocks. But you see, the stock market is not protected as well. This massive drop of Facebook lost about $100 billion in a single day. That's a massive amount of loss. $100 billion of wealth just wasted just like that. So this give you a different perception about investing, because before that happened, we was thinking about that, okay, Bitcoin is too there is too much volatility and going up and down. But I think this is not a big deal at all, and it will, I think, will stabilize in the future once more people start to use it and get regulated in some countries. So basically, there is some predictions that Bitcoin can hit around 50k this year. I believe it's completely possible, because as I said, we have information that more and more big investors started to look at Bitcoin. We also had information that on a specific price of Bitcoin, there is a big buy orders from the big guys, which is going to buy more cryptocurrency. At the moment, Bitcoin is a little bit low, but that's, in my opinion, this is a psychological game right now, and people have to be patient, because, as you know, when things are going down, like Warren Buffett say, don't sell, just keep it. And people are really skeptical, and by the way, if you notice, people who don't have this investing education, when the price go down, they sell. No, when the price go down, you have to buy, not to sell. And the big players, they understand the psychology of investing. And when the average guy gets scary and start to sell the Bitcoin, and the price, when the price is going down and drop, the big guys waiting the perfect moment to invest big amount of money, because this is a long-term game, guys. If Bitcoin drop from 10,000 to 6,000 in the past few months, this is something which is temporary, and we believe that the price is going back. So this is a game of patience and a big psychological challenge for the small investors who do not understand that game. So as we said, we believe Bitcoin will stabilize in the future, and it's something that have a huge potential. So stay patient, and basically we advise, do not sell your Bitcoins. That's, in my opinion, I'm not gonna give you financial advices, but my point of view is it's not a good idea to sell your Bitcoin, because the future is more bright than most people see it. Because like I said, there is inside information from the BlackRock, where there is so much big name investors which are part from it. Even the Rothschild family is part from the BlackRock, and we have information that people like them, they are going to invest more into cryptocurrency. They even have crypto teams. So basically, things are going to get better and better with the crypto world. So we believe that this is inevitable, and this shift in the world economy will happen no matter if we resist it or accept it. So basically, to educate, it's better to educate ourselves and take advantage of the change, because there is an old statement says that people who resist the change, they lose, but people who adapt to the change, they're usually the people who win and get benefits from it. Okay, so this was from today. Expect more educational cool videos about cryptocurrency, forex trading, how to manage your money. We're gonna give massive amounts of value to our followers, so make sure to click the button below, subscribe, and follow us.